this time, a tin can as a fire carrier. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. Knowing how to transport fire from one place to another could pay off in a survival situation. This is one method among many, and it needs to be practiced like any other. Take a piece of hot charcoal from the tin can, add some tinder, and you're ready to go. Alright, so far it's pretty simple. The fire carrier, on the other hand, is a little more complex. Let's take a closer look. Worried that the embers are slowly going out? On the way you simply blow into a ventilation slit to keep the embers alive. Well, that's it, and as always, stay safe, stay smart.